Hi, this is Kelly Wright with The Money Show, and I'm with Miss Anne Aden and the Aden Report. So, investors got a little wake-up call this year, didn't they?
Yes.
We had a nice little thing going on in the market until January,
Right.
and somebody stopped playing nice. Okay? So, anyway, no, being serious, what I call the fever, I think the fever is broken.
Right.
And the days of just being able to be in are over. Now you actually have to be smart.
That's true. And I think what it scared a lot of people. Steep correction, but really not that steep compared to the
In the big
rise.
scheme of things?
Yes. So it was a shake-up a little bit, and it made people a little nervous, realizing that no, stocks aren't going to just keep going straight up, and you have to pick your sectors, and you have to be careful what you're going into, or you could just be in with stuck with a dud. And so, generally speaking, the tech sector is still leading the way up.
Okay.
And so that's been pretty consistent.
Okay.
But then you've got to be selective within the tech sector. You can't just pick any tech. So we always just, to keep it general, we like QQQ, which is the ETF for the
Sure.
NASDAQ. And that seems to work fine
Okay.
when stocks are going up. But then now we have interest rates going up.
Okay.
And we have people a little bit, a little tiny bit more nervous than they were before.
Okay, so for years, no one's really thought about alternative investments.
Right.
Because the stock market's just been on this parabolic glide,
Right.
from here to eternity.
Right.
Okay. Well, now that seems to have been short-circuited, okay, people are starting to think about maybe I should diversify after all.
A little bit, absolutely.
Okay. So, you and your sister, you look at lots of markets, and you track
Yes.
you track lots of asset
We
classes.
do.
So let's give our viewers a good primer on. Let's give them a good diversification strategy. What alternative investments should we be looking at now?
Well, it's a little early still.
Okay.
But we like gold,
Okay.
and we think that gold it's been forming what we call a bottom. It's been bottoming out for the past 4 years.
It's a long bottom.
It's a big one.
Okay.
And if gold gets above $1,380, this is on a technical basis.
Of course.
It'll be breaking out of that bottom. Now, a lot of the other indicators and other markets we look at are telling us that that's probably going to happen. And now that could happen 6 months down the road. Maybe, we'll see. I can't tell you exactly when, but if so, that'll be a sign that gold will there will be some kind of a transition where stocks will lose some of their luster and people will start moving into gold. And so it's good to have some diversification, absolutely.
So basically what we're talking about is a semi-shift from financial assets to tangible assets.
Right.
Okay. That would also include real estate.
Yes.
What's I know you all do a lot of work in that area. What's your outlook? Real estate in the States has been just screaming.
Yeah. All over the
screaming.
world.
Oh, okay, on a global basis.
Yes,
All
yes.
right.
Yes,
Okay.
these markets, generally speaking, if it's happening here, it's happening all over the world. That goes for the economies.
Okay.
Not in every single country,
Sure.
but generally. So yes, real estate prices are going up.
Yes.
Some places are better bargains than others, but yes. And so with interest rates, though, going up, at some point, that's going to put a little bit of a brake on the real estate boom, if you will.
Okay, so besides single-family homes, there's REITs, real estate investment trust.
Right.
I get asked this question all the time, and REITs are not my bailiwick. It's not my thing.
Me neither.
You either. Okay.
No, but I did hear yesterday, I learned something. With interest rates going up, the REITs have really been very sluggish. So they're they're already kind of reacting to the rise.
So they're already anticipating the rate. Okay.
Yes.
There we go. This is fun. I could do this with you all day long.
Oh, thanks.
I'm Kelly Wright at The Money Show with Anne Aden and the Aden Forecast. Thank you so much for joining us.